Lisa, and this is my baby Zoe. We've been thinking about it for years and years and years and years. My husband Peter had drawn up some plans. We got some quotes from a few different people and realised that all the quotes came in at about $150,000 to $200,000 over what we'd budgeted. So we were like, oh no. We went to the Wellington Home Show and Peter met Rudy and was really impressed by him. And then we started the process. We started off this place as a 3-bedroom house, just your normal average 3-bedroom house. Relined everything, every single wall was relined, all the ceilings were taken out, all the lintels were strengthened, everything was changed. And then this amazing second story was put onto the top of our house. And now we have this beautiful home, which I just think, the other day someone said to me, if you won $20 million, what would you do? Would you move house? And I just looked at them and said, no, I'd stay here. Created something which is really special, and it's going to be our home for the next 20-30 years, and hopefully our kids will bring their friends home. I mean, the guys were amazing. It was always a collaborative process, I guess. The ability to talk about things and to come up with a solution that would work. Everyone tells you, don't build a house, don't add on to your house, but it was actually really easy, really stress-free, and the end product was fantastic, more than what we'd ever dreamed of. Amazing. We had a party the other day where we had 20 adults and 20 children, and there was space for everybody. If you've got something that you want to do, an addition, an alteration you want to do, you've got an idea, to take it and make it into something which is a reality.